Hello to all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video we'll study about the deletion of Azure Data Factory pipeline using Postman tool. In the previous video we have studied about the execution of Data Factory pipeline using this post method and the create run HTTP request. In the current video we are going to study about the deletion of pipeline. The request will look like this: https management.azure.com, subscription ID, resource group name, providers, data factory, factories, factory name, pipeline name, and the API version. So this will be the HTTP request. We have copied this request into a notepad here for the deletion, and we are going to now fill in the details. So the pipeline which will be used and the data factory is here in this page. We have the data factory name as ADF Cloud Knowledge. The data factory pipeline which we'll be using, let's say we'll take it as a test pipeline, test for delete, which is having just a wait activity inside it. So we want to test this pipeline. And if we want to know more details about the subscription resource group, we'll go to the data factory overview section. Here we'll get the rest of the details. Okay, so the resource group name is Cloud Knowledge. We'll copy this value. And go to the notepad, paste this resource group name. Then we have subscription ID. Copy the subscription ID, paste in place of subscription ID. Then the data factory name and the pipeline name. Data factory name is ADF Cloud Knowledge. So we'll paste the name here. Pipeline name is, we have seen, it's pipeline test for delete. So we'll write that here. Pipeline test for delete. Now we have to use this complete request inside the Postman tool. So let's open the Postman tool. In the previous video, we have used the post method and executed the pipeline. In this video, we are going to delete. And before this execution or deletion, we have to get the bearer token. So here we have a bearer token collection where we have a post request to get the bearer token, then the execution, and we are going to create now a new request. So we'll just click on the three dots in front of the collection name and click on add request. We'll name this to delete pipeline in ADF. The request method used here will be delete. Okay, so we'll select the method as delete and now paste the URL, the entire URL which we have framed here in the notepad. The URL we have given. Now we have to give the authorization token, the bearer token here. So we'll go to the authorization section. Here we are going to select bearer token and paste the value of the bearer token. The bearer token value we'll get from this request, the post request which we have framed. If you want to study more about getting the bearer token, you can refer to the video which is already there in the channel. So we have to give here few parameters like the grant type, client ID, client secret, resource, and we'll get the bearer token. So we'll send the request, post request, to get the fresh bearer token because it was expired. The value comes under the access token parameter. We'll copy this value. We have to remove this curly braces because it's copied. So we'll go to the delete pipeline ADF token request. Here we are going to paste the fresh token. We'll go at the bottom and we'll remove this extra curly brace and double quotes. Now the fresh token is in place here for the delete request, and we could now click on send. We are sending the request. We'll wait for the response from the ADF. The response is empty and the status is 200 OK. If we go to the official documentation to the delete pipeline section, if we go down, the response is 200 OK, means it proceeded successfully. Now we'll go to the ADF Cloud Knowledge. We'll look for this pipeline. So we'll refresh and the pipeline should be deleted now. Let's search for the pipeline. Pipeline test for delete. So it says the resource was not found because it was deleted. We couldn't see the pipeline test for delete here because it's deleted. So in this way, using this delete method and the REST endpoint for deletion inside the Postman tool, we have performed the deletion of ADF pipeline. Hope you have understood the video. Do let me know in comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Bye.